Hi everybody and welcome to this flip through of one of my handbag journals, my inspiration journals. They're not the standard journal with pockets and tags and tucks and flips and flaps and whatever. They are full of pieces that I've chosen very, very carefully and put together in here that you could then go ahead and make your own journal from. And I think you could make a really nice journal. The pages are elasticated, they're on elastic I should say, the pages themselves are not elasticated. They're on elastic, so you can take all the pages out, you can mix them up, you can rearrange them, or you can put your own pages in as well. There's plenty of room to do that. So here we go, let's delve in. This is magnetised. It's a very, very, very pretty little jewel, I suppose. And because it's magnetised, it can come off, it can go anywhere that you want to put it, to keep it, or you can keep it right there where it looks very nice. Let's just set that aside for the moment, and this is the closure, and it too is magnetised, and it just flips up like that. The elasticated cords have got charms on the end, one butterfly, one dragonfly, because that's what this journal kit was about. The journal kit itself is from Tailor Made Journals on Etsy, and it's called Faded Summer, and it really is a beautiful kit. It really is very, very tasteful. So here we are, we've got all our lace down here, and the sort of spine is covered with lace too. It's originally been a brown paper bag, for those of you that haven't been watching, and these are the handles from the bag that we changed around a little bit so as we could get this handbag look, and I really quite like it. I think it's very cute. So there we go into the journal then, and here's I'm not really going to say too much because I want the recipient of this journal to still find things in it and think, ooh, I didn't know about that. So I'm really going to flip through and you'll see what you see. Fabric ruffles down the side of each design page. A glassine bag with goodies in, a little sign that says butterflies that you can stick wherever you want to, some lovely trim, that's gorgeous, that trim. And inside the glassine bag is all butterflies, and then here we've got some watercolour, embossed watercolour card. And over the page we've got a glassine bag that's full of labels that you can either put something on or write on if your handwriting's slightly better than mine. We've got this little card, embossed and die cut card with butterflies and acetate, handmade paper, and that's newsprint from another kit in Lorna's shop. Design page with a dragonfly on and the trim, big envelope, some lace and some crochet lace there. And then over here we've got a big card with 3 butterflies, the glassine I think that is actually, with a stamp on it, and this fussy cut butterfly. And here we've got a little bulb pin with lots of beads on that you can either take the beads off and sew into wherever you want to, or you can use the whole bulb pin as something. Some vellum paper that's been embossed, a set of 3 tags here, all with those nice big eyelets on it, held together with this, they're just so lovely, these bulldog clips in that beautiful colour. A small glassine and a piece of embossed card over the way. Look at that stencil, how pretty is that? And here we've got a wildflower die cut, we've got some white trim, and then we've got some of that trim and some ribbon held together with that same colour but paper clip. Here, oh, this is nice. We've got a card here that's got bulb pins all the way down. Then we've got some lace that's also got, the lace has got the bulb pins on, that's correct. There's 3 of them there, all with different beads, etc. A bag with some nice goodies in, I'll just say that. It's held together with this, and a nice little label that I've stamped a sort of glass bottle vase on it. Really nice ribbon there. Here we've got, these are the central page, so you can see you can take them out, add to it, whatever. This embossed envelope here is from the kit. It's an envelope from the kit, but I've embossed it. This ribbon is loose, so you can use that in your creation. A craft card that I've stamped over with that colour, and a die cut. And within each envelope there are Tim Holtz wildflower die cuts that I have painted myself in colour. They're slightly different colours, but they go with the overall kit, and that's pretty similar to that die cut ribbon. You can see. Then here we've got an embossed piece of wallpaper. Beautiful, actually. I love that. Some satin. How gorgeous is that? Some really lovely quality lace, and that, which I think I showed you how to do that, actually. Look at the design pages, they're so pretty. Then here we've got another one of these tags, an embossed border. Some of this, which I find quite useful for making pockets. It's got just a little bit of give in it. It's really good, and you've got a useful length there. Comes all the way back down to there. And then this, which is my favourite thing in the whole journal, this beautiful, beautiful fabric. It's really nice, and I hope you find somewhere nice to put it. And over the way we've got a nice little cluster of things. We've got some fabric in the exact aqua colour. We've got some card that's been stamped on. We've got 2 postcards from the kit. We've got a set of tickets, and it's held together with this lovely calico. The other side of the vellum paper, then we've got this beautiful, beautiful doily, and a postcard from the kit, an embossed tag, another receipt, and some handmade paper. And the other side of the doily, that's cotton rag watercolour paper. I just sprayed that, that's lace, and I sprayed through it to give that effect. And then here we've got a very shabby rose. It's really nice. 2 tags that I've just stamped butterflies onto, an embossed piece of card, some more satin, some white lawn fabric, some very fine calico. It's really lovely. So that's that, and a nice bulb pin there with some beads on. And on the back of that we've got some striped wallpaper, a receipt, some beautiful lace, a little bit of that calico, a coin envelope, and it's all held together with some seam binding and exactly the right colour, and another little bulldog clip. And that is your journal. I'm calling it an inspiration journal because I'm quite sure that you will be inspired. I hope you will be inspired to use those things either within this journal, or make your own journal using the pages and some of the goodies inside. I've really enjoyed making it because I've really carefully curated everything that's in it, and I hope whoever buys it, it will bring you pleasure. So thank you for watching. Bye.